Samsung is holding its Developer Conference 2024 in California tomorrow. Usually, the company reveals new versions of One UI at this event, but this year, things are a bit different. It's unclear if Samsung will introduce One UI 7 at SDC24. The tech giant announced it will be celebrating 10 years of open innovation and collaboration with developers, partners, and customers. The focus will be on how to get the most out of today's artificial intelligence advancements. Samsung has a keynote speech planned for Sally Hai-Jong, EVP and head of Framework R&D for the mobile experience business. To give you some background, Sally leads the One UI design team and usually introduces new versions of One UI at events like this. The South Korean tech giant will showcase the latest cross-platform innovations, focusing on how developers can use tools like SmartThings, Galaxy Artificial Intelligence, Knox, and Tizen to create next-generation solutions. Galaxy I is expected to be the main focus at tomorrow's developer conference. So far, Samsung hasn't mentioned One UI in any of its SDC24 press releases, which raises questions about what the company's plans are for this year's One UI update. We're hoping Samsung has some exciting news about One UI 7 at SDC24. Galaxy S24 users are eagerly awaiting the Android 15-based One UI 7 beta program, but there hasn't been any sign of testing activity yet. Interestingly, a Czech firm hasn't detected any beta firmware on Samsung servers, so there's no guarantee that the One UI 7 beta will begin soon. This makes this year's SDC especially important for general Galaxy users, not just developers. It was recently announced that Pixel devices will receive Android 15 in mid-October. Google is getting ready to release the stable update to the public, and they've already moved their beta testing to the quarterly platform release (QPR) phase of Android 15. What's your thought on this? Let me know in the comments section. One UI 7 is Samsung's next version of its custom interface built on Android 15. This major update will introduce several new features and improvements. One of the key areas getting exciting updates is the Smart Select feature, which will see enhancements in the One UI 7.0 release. Based on user feedback, Samsung is now focusing on a standard selection area for Smart Select, making it quicker and more user-friendly. According to a community moderator, Samsung is also developing a flexible menu for Smart Select that will adjust depending on what the user selects, enhancing the feature's convenience. Samsung faces challenges in creating a fixed shortcut interface that automatically provides options like copying text or generating GIFs from images. However, the company is actively working on solutions to improve these features and enhance the overall user experience. Additionally, One UI 7.0 will improve the Smart Select feature by automatically recommending an area for users to select. This aims to save time on manual selections and enhance efficiency when users want to copy, share, or create GIFs. Samsung is currently exploring new options to further enhance the overall experience, so users can look forward to a more intuitive Smart Select functionality in One UI 7.0. It was already rumored that Samsung would unveil newly designed icons for its apps, including camera, gallery, internet, and more. Recently, a new app icon for the Galaxy Store appeared online. Tipster Crow_Row shared a low-resolution image of the redesigned icon on X, while another leaker reposted the same design in high resolution. The new icon features a shopping bag with a dynamic handle against a circular background. Samsung is still in the process of developing One UI 7 and has not yet launched the beta program. The company has announced that it will hold the Samsung Developer Conference 2024 on October 3, where it is expected to reveal some details about the new software. The exact timeline for the One UI 7 beta has not been announced yet, so it will be interesting to see if a new Galaxy Store app icon makes its debut at the conference. What's your thought on this? Let me know in the comments section.